Thank you. I don't want to look. I don't want to look. What does it say? What does it say? Yeah! What's up, everybody? Welcome back to VogelStang. Thanks for checking out this video. I hope everyone's having a great weekend. So we have some stuff to talk about. I made 2 trips to the track, two weekends in a row. I went. The first weekend turned out actually pretty bad because it was super busy there. I think I was there for about 4 or 5 hours. I got 2 passes in, and it was painful. Just a lot of sitting around and just waiting. So the good news is that the 2 passes that I did get in were 2 bests. So I did run an 11.8 and then an 11.6. I'll put the time sheets like right there someplace. I'm not going to show you the runs because they're pretty much like my other. They're pretty much like the other runs that I'm going to show you today from the second trip to the Dragstrip that I made. Second pass, I got the burnout down and ran an 11.6. And I gotta say, it was the first time that I actually got the tires heated up, and man, it gripped. On the launch, it just took off. You could definitely feel the grip of those tires just digging in, and it was a good feeling. So that got me very excited, and I was a little upset that I couldn't get more passes in that day, but it was so painful. So I went back the next weekend, and my first pass went pretty well. Again, burnout successful. So I'm getting there. I got to say that there's a long process to getting everything going the right way. There's a sequence. There's a crazy sequence. I'm not going to explain it in this video. I'll explain it in another video. But it's pretty extensive. To me, it seems like a lot of button pushing. So, but anyway, I got it down. So my second trip to the track was super successful. I got 5 passes. The second trip was just amazing because there was nobody there. I got like 5 passes in I don't even know, 2 hours. So it was a really good day there, and my passes, I was pretty happy with my passes. So let's take a look at them. First, what I have on the car making these passes, performance-wise, JLT Cold Air Intake, and an e85 tune from Beach Dyno. That is it. So in addition to those 2 performance mods, I mean, you know, I have exhaust, but we don't consider that a performance mod, right? It's just really doesn't do much for performance. So those are the 2 performance mods I have, and obviously the e85 gas. In addition to those, I do have Steeda Stop the Hop Kit and Mickey Thompson ET Street R's, 305s, and 17-inch RaceStars. So that is what's getting me there to the 11.6s, and I probably already have in the title that I ran an 11.5. So super happy with those results, and the DA was actually amazing. I think the DA was negative. I'll put the DA over there, of course, up on the screen as well. It was, I think it was actually negative something, negative 200 maybe, I forget, but I'll put it up here. So super good weather, and light day at the track as far as how many cars were there. So it was really it couldn't get any better than that. Let's take a look at my first run. everything felt good, I think, but I feel like it shifted from like first to third. You know, I didn't log it. Forgot to start the N-gauge log. But I felt like it went from like first to third. I don't know. We'll have to see. But the good news is today it's very empty here. There's not too many cars at all, so we're going to get a bunch of passes in. So we'll hopefully be able to dial into what this car can really do. So we'll see. I don't know what that pass was. It felt good. Let's see what it says. Thank you. All right. That was actually pretty good. All right, so we're close. Oh, so close. Today we will be. Okay. I'm not going to say anything. We got an 11.6 flat. So flat. 11.600 at 120 miles an hour. 120.97. So that is super awesome. I'm very excited about that. We are so close to 11.5. Right? So we want to be. That's what the goal is here for me. 11.5. I want to see 11.5 today. Let's do it. Should I risk doing a little bit of a launch? Maybe. Oh, here. So there it is. 11.6 flat. 0.0, and that was pretty impressive considering that it did double shift on me. So if you go back to the video, or I'll put it in here after, it went from first and went into second gear for like a second, or maybe not even a second, and then went into third. You can see the RPMs drop way down. And then continued on, you know, fourth, fifth. So, but you could see that it pretty much went from first to third. So that was a pretty big loss of time. that Hellcat next to me. Don't know what happened to him, but I know he lost. So, thank you. Dang it. 11.62, come on. I think we gotta do a little bit of launch. So, even though I got to the finish line first against that Hellcat, I highlighted some of its numbers there. Clearly it completely lost traction, but look at that trap speed of 137. That was moving. If there was any more track, he would have passed me. could be it. That could be it. That could be it. That could be it. Come on, 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 come on. Hey, don't do crazy stuff. Transmission. Come on, 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 come on. Come on, 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 come on. We can do it, we can do it, we can do it. So, I disregarded the green light, and I just totally paid attention to launching at 2,000 RPMs. We'll see if that made a difference. So, you know, it feels really good to gain a little bit of confidence, right? So, you know, it's now I'm starting to experiment a little bit now that, you know, I got this, things are getting down a little bit. Thank you. I don't want to look. I don't want to look. What does it say? What does it say? Yeah! Woo! I think I'm done for the day. I'm happy with that. I am totally happy. 11.56. 11.56. Oh, I'm super happy with that. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I think that might be it for the day. She ran hard. She ran well. I think I should go home now, enjoy the rest of my Sunday, and I don't want to push the half shafts, honestly, with these big meaty radials, you know. So I'm thinking this might be it. I'm gonna come over here, I'm gonna go over to the other side here, and I'm gonna take a break at least and think it over. All right, so there you have it, 11.5, and that's probably gonna be the last one of the year. So cold weather's here. I doubt there'll be any more track time, but anyway, that was a great way to end off the season. I didn't want to push the half shafts. I mean, that is breaking half shaft territory or close to it. You know, any more RPMs on the launch, and you know, I'd be risking braking, and being an hour away from home, no trailer. I really didn't want to put myself in that position, so I felt pretty happy with what I had gotten. And over the winter here, I will upgrade the half shafts in preparation for the springtime. Next video, we'll talk about the process that I go through for the staging lanes and the burnout box and all the button pushing nonsense that I have to do. So, you know, that way, if anybody is struggling the way that I was struggling, you know, maybe these tips will help you out. So things that I've learned and the sequence that seems to work, at least for me. It may not work for everybody, but, you know, it helps to know what someone else goes through and what someone else does and what they've learned, and maybe it'll help you. So anyway, that's the next video. Have a great rest of your weekend. I'll see you in the next one. Later.